Okay. Right on.
Oh, cool. Sweet.
Yeah, we're supposed to work together on the quiz, so I guess we're gonna, kind of go over the homework that we did, go over any questions that we might have, and then try and take the quiz together.
Okay.
All right.
So.
So we have to meet twice a week then?
Yeah,
Yep.
because we have 2 lessons every week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do we know when the next lesson is due? Is it Thursday?
Yeah, our group meeting's due Thursday at 11:55, so
Okay.
Yeah, so I guess Tuesdays and Thursdays is when it's due.
Okay. And we could just figure out times to meet, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys want to meet the day before, just like on Wednesday too, kind of around the same time?
That works for me.
I'd have to do Wednesday at 8. I've got meetings, church meetings at 7.
Okay.
I can do it after 8. That's fine.
Yeah, I can do Wednesday at 8 as well.
I'm pretty sure that works with me too. So.
Okay.
All right. I guess if anything changes, I guess we can just
Yeah.
email back and forth and figure that out. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Let's see.
You want to start? Number 6.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So it just said to determine the correct sampling method for each scenario. So, A. I don't know how we want to do this. Do we want to read the question and give the answer, or just give the answer? What do we want to do?
Maybe we should just kind of discuss it and see if anyone has any questions on it, or maybe it didn't come to the same conclusion. Because she did give us the answer key to all these questions. So
Do we turn these in?
I don't think
No.
so. I think they're just supposed to help us take the quiz, and these are just notes to kind of help us with the quiz.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, because there's a quiz if you go onto the Brain Honey, it's in there somewhere, like iLearn.
Yeah. What's it under? Because I don't see the quiz anywhere. I
It's
see
under-
the group meeting.
Yeah, it should be under
Yeah.
group meeting.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, under lesson 2, the group
Okay.
meeting, and then the group collaboration is where we post the YouTube video or this video on
Yeah.
Okay.
our group.
Okay, the only thing that I had a little bit of problems with was systematic and no, not systematic. The stratified and cluster.
Okay.
I kept getting those mixed up.
Yeah, those are pretty similar.
So what's the difference between those two? I don't know.
I think it's almost just kind of a reverse. Like the stratified is picking a select group, for example, like differing them by gender, and then selecting a random sample. A cluster is selecting like a random group that have somewhat similar traits, and then interviewing, say, all the people. So like if you picked a random doctor from a hospital, you interview all of his patients. They'd all be similar. So it's almost the reverse kind of thing, if that makes sense.
Okay. Okay.
So do we just want to go just go through 6 and 7 and 8 and just what answers you think they are? Did you want to read them all?
Sure. I say we just do the answers,
Okay.
Yep.
and then if we have any questions, we can go through it. Make it shorter.
That works with me.
Yeah, that's fine.
So 6A was convenience.
Yeah, I got convenience.
Yep.
B, what did you guys get?
Systematic.
Same.
Okay.
And then C was SRS.
SRS.
Yeah.
D,
That's stratified.
stratified, yep.
Yep.
And E,
Okay, cluster.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a cluster.
okay. So stratified, is it just like a group within a group?
Yeah, it's almost like a set sample within a certain group.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think
So it's
like
like ages, like he said in here, ages 18 to 49, they took 200 people out of that age group. Is it kind of
Yeah,
like that?
and just-
Yeah.
They did a random sample. And then the cluster would be if they just took like one of those groups and sampled everybody from there instead of random from every
Okay.
group.
yeah, so they'd take like a group under 18 and sample everyone that they met randomly, kind of thing.
Okay. That makes sense. Okay.
Stratified is probably the more accurate way to do it because it kind of gives it some diversity.
Yeah,
That's
for
what-
sure.
Okay. All right. Number 7. What'd you get for A?
Cluster.
Is that cluster? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cluster. Yeah. And then B.
Simple random sampling.
Start S.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. And C.
That's stratified.
Yep.
And then D.
That's
Systematic.
systematic.
Systematic. Okay. A. 8. Sorry. 8A. That was just an observational one, right?
Yeah, I just got it.
Okay. And then B, we had to give, what was the subject?
1,000 patients.
Patients. Okay. And
Yeah, and the answer
then
key says
the response. What was that?
I said the answer key says the 1,000 insomnia patients. So because they're doing an insomnia group, I guess they assume that they're insomnia patients.
Okay.
And then, let's see, the group, the response.
It's the hours of sleep they got throughout the week.
Okay. And then what else were we supposed to? The treatment.
Treatment. One group was given a placebo, and the other group was given the sleepies.
And then number 9. A. Was it designed or observational?
It was designed.
Design, yeah.
And then B. What are the subjects?
The 224 patients that were diagnosed with skin irritation.
Yeah. And then the response variable in C.
The degree of skin irritations that they saw in the patients.
Okay. And then what are the treatments that they had?
One group was 0.5% cream, one was 1% cream, and one was a placebo.
Okay. All right.
So that kind of makes sense to everyone. Does anyone have questions before we take the quiz on this stuff?
Uh-uh.
I don't think so.
I mean, and then I think everything's probably going to be on here that will help us out for the quiz, like what's what.
So do we want to go ahead and start the quiz then?
Yeah, let's do that. Is everybody there?
No,
Yeah.
not yet.
Meeting?
Let me just get to it.
Okay.
Sorry, my computer's slow. Okay, I'm there.
All right. Let's start up then.
Okay.
A lot of questions.
Yeah,
The
there
first
were quite
two
a few.
are,
First two are true.
Yep.
well, there's a lot.
Yeah.
All right. I guess I might struggle with those.
All right.
So, see, does everybody have the same questions in a row in order of my questions? Number 3 I have is researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within an hour after class helps students perform better in exams.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I want too.
Okay, so
So I
all
think
different
this
then?
one, they're trying to design the study.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What it seems like, because let's see.
Because they don't even have anything ready for it yet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
that
they're
makes
discussing
sense
who the
because-
population would be and how they could determine the sampling methods. So I'm pretty sure that should be
Yeah,
that
because
should be the first step. Design study.
okay.
because next
And this
one
next
is
one is a researcher has collected the results of a survey where, is that the same one?
Yeah.
participants were asked how many hours of TV they watch each day. Okay.
Yep.
Is that collecting?
Shooting curtains are gonna help.
Just
Yeah,
'cause she made a
because it says right
histogram of
here.
it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. But it does
Which-
say that she tallies the frequencies, so she is collecting data, right?
Yeah. But then at the end, yeah, then it says, then she creates a histogram to help.
Which would be
Illustrate.
describing it.
Yeah.
Do we have a let's see.
You can kind of look at the definition that we got earlier. It says for describe the data, it says these are tools like graphs and calculations that help us to visualize the collected data. Collecting data involves the process in which data is observed and collected, as well as choosing the sample group the data comes from.
And then I would say that she's describing the data.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. I
The
think
way
so
it's
too.
explained there. Okay.
Yeah.
The next
Alright.
one, Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai, India.
Okay.
Yep. Is it the 3,000 people who emailed the questionnaire?
I don't know.
Is that what the population is? Because that's the only, because it's not all of Mumbai, because only 3,000 people got the survey, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Or would it be the responses?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I don't think
So-
it's a responses, but
You would say responses?
I don't think it's the responses, but I need to look see what it.
Okay.
I'm gonna look up what population in the
Look at
study
the
is.
population thing again.
Yeah.
Okay, it says. Okay, so study population is the total members of a defined class of people, objects, places, or events selected because they're relevant to your research question.
So it's the 3,000 people, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I would think it's the 3,000.
yeah, because they give an example where it says if you
Oh.
wanted to study maternal health care, the study population would be all the pregnant women who are under your care, and all of them may not respond. So
Okay.
I think it's the 3,000 people as well.
Yeah, because there's a difference between population and sample.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So
think
what
that-
would the citizens of Mumbai, like what would that fall under? If it's not sample or population.
I don't know.
Because like they're trying to get like I mean the point of their survey is to determine if they would support the fast food business, and then they're just doing a sample of the population.
Yeah, that's true.
That is true.
So would it be the citizens, or is it just the 3,000 people? That's hard. I don't really know for sure.
Huh.
Where's the I can't remember where those definitions are at.
I don't even think we got the definition of population for the homework.
That's kind of what I was thinking too. Let me look on there. No, the homework was actually super small. Huh?
Yeah, it was pretty short.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and open the book back up and see.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I think it's. I don't know. Well, from the definition that you guys gave us, I think it's the 3,000 people, but I don't want to be wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So in the book, it says, what is the population or total collection of all individuals under consideration?
So I guess it is the citizens of Mumbai.
But it just depends on if the whole citizen, the population is under consideration or just the 3,000.
I think in this situation it is, because it says in a quickly growing city of importance in some countries, and the marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. By doing a smaller sample, they're going to say that yes, it would be good for the whole population.
Yeah, so
I think you're right.
I think the book kind of leans more towards the citizens of Mumbai as well, just based off what it says.
The next question asks about the sample. I think the sample is the 3,000.
It's the 3,000.
No, the questionnaire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so the number 6 is the 3,000 people.
Yeah,
I think so.
Sample. Okay.
And then the 1,049 would be the subjects.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So let's see the next one. Study has shown that attention to classroom materials can drop as low as 58% in the 15 minutes of class. And this one be quantitative, because it's
I think it is
numerical values.
quantitative.
Yeah.
It's dealing with numerical values, so.
Yeah.
And in A, the responses are yes, no, and not sure, so I would guess that would be categorical.
Categorical.
Yeah, because he's not collecting any numbers, he just.
Yeah, because he's not really recording any kind of numbers, so.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd say categorical.
The studies are shown. Well, that'd be the control.
So that's the control group.
Yeah, it's the control group.
Yeah.
Number 9's control group.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 10.
So 10 is administering tuberculosis vaccine.
Administering.
Yeah,
You're
definitely.
looking,
Yeah.
experimental designs are looking for a cause and effect.
Yep.
Yeah, they actually did something rather than just observe.
Okay.
I'm going to say many random selected workers in each of several working districts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because each district could be a little bit different. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the
experimental
children,
units, isn't that the children?
Yeah.
I think so, because yeah, they're the ones receiving treatment.
Yeah.
Treatments. What is it? The vaccine and placebo.
Yeah, it'd be the vaccine and
Yeah.
placebo for 13.
Yep.
Um,
Say it was an experiment.
I was gonna say it doesn't seem observational because they actually gave these people things.
Yeah, they gave them vouchers. Yeah. I don't think it's neither because it definitely fits the parameters of an experiment.
Experiment.
Yeah.
So what were they? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's definitely an experiment.
Yeah.
Number 15.
Is that
Maybe I'm reading it wrong, but I want to say
I
it's
think
false.
Yeah, I want to say it's false too. Just because I feel like the .002 should be that's
No, that's the chance of it not happening how you want it to.
yeah.
So it's
That would
more of
make-
like a 99.999% chance.
Yeah, because when they gave there's the one about the vaccine where it was like .00093 or whatever that it shouldn't have been that way, so the vaccine worked. So I feel like the lower the the number of the decimal, the higher the probability that it came out as the alternative theory.
Mhm.
This I think is false.
Okay.
Okay, so sensitivity. The results are. Is that true?
Let's see.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
16 is true.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
Okay.
17 is pretty easy. Did you guys watch? Did you guys watch that video that I can't remember his name?
Yeah.
Okay, this is right on the video. So
So BEACD.
take action should be C. BCADE.
Wait.
So design the study is E. Step 1. Step 2.
Let's collect the data.
Collect data.
BC. Yeah.
Describe the data. Make inferences. Take action.
Because yeah, if you look on the side of it too, he gave us like a little mnemonic to use, which is Daniel. What if it's Daniel can discern more truth?
Yeah.
So Daniel was designing the study to start. So 3 is A. Step 2 is collecting data, which is B. There's 1, so it's B. Discern.
Oh, you're must be different in line.
What was that?
So I think your answers are different order.
Oh, okay,
Mine.
sorry. Mine's set up differently then. Okay.
So number 1 is collect data. right? C.
Yeah.
2 is
And
take
that's
action
step-
B.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 design the study B.
Yeah.
4 describe the data A. And 5 make inferences D.
No.
I have step. Yeah. I have,
The
you guys have step 1, 2, 4, 5, 3.
No, mine's 2, 5, 3, 4, 1.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's why we're all
mine's
getting
1,
different
3, 5, 3,
answers.
4. Okay.
Okay.
So how about
makes
this?
sense.
How about this? So collect data is going to correspond to step 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Taking action will correspond to step 5.
Yep.
Yeah.
Design the study is going to correspond to step 1.
Yep.
Yeah.
Describe the data is going to correspond to step 3.
Yep.
And then make inferences will be step 4.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Here, I'll submit it and see how we did.
Moment of
Take a
truth.
look at it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I guess we can rotate.
the sample is the 1,049 people, not the 3,000.
Oh man.
What's
But
the one?
Oh,
Six.
1,049.
yep, 6 is the 1,049. And then 15 is true, not false.
Really?
Oh really?
That's weird. Maybe we just misunderstood the way it was said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
They worded it weird.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll all kind of take turns and submit.
Submit first.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
I'll do it next
Okay.
time.
Alright.
So then, who has this one up? Because whoever has this one up is the one that's going to be able to post it on the group thing, right?
Yep. So I'll post it as soon as it's done.
Okay.
Okay.
And if we can,
Yeah, if you just want to upload it to, or just put the URL, and then I think everyone's been typing the names of the people who are in their group in the little top title bar, and then just putting the link in the little
Okay.
description part in that little group collaboration discussion board. So.
Okay. We'll do.
All right. So Wednesday night at 8.
Yep.
So Wednesday at 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
works.
Okay.
that's fine.
Okay.
We'll
Yeah,
do it.
that's fine. We can kind of start talking.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
All right.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Yep. Thanks.
Have a good
See you
night.
guys.
Have a good one, guys. Bye.